sticky polyolefin, so if you want to play with it as a putty, I suggest putting on a pair of gloves, and then you can test the viscosity, workability, and mechanical characteristics yourself. But if I would just take that and put that there, and come back a year later, besides being dirty, it would have the same exact properties. It doesn't age, because polyolefins, they're not like PVCs or other polymer membranes that have to use softeners and like plasticizers. They're naturally, through their chemical composition, they're naturally soft and pliable. So if you look at like the FPO or TPO roofing membranes that we manufacture, the TPOs, they don't age either. That's why they're such a wonderful roofing membrane. They don't turn brittle over time. So I'm just going to do a quick demo. I'm just going to shoot it straight out of the tube. So enough pressurized water. Who was asking about that? Watertight. Doesn't matter if there was a cable coming through there or whatever else. So we went on to push that in, back this out a little bit, and then install a mortar plug. Although the mortar plug would not bond to this, it would obviously crack around the edges. It doesn't matter as long as it's there dimensionally stable. And the mortar plug doesn't have, oops, I took a little bit too much out.
Why has it got a sell-by date on it?
You know, it's because all products have to by definition.
So that you have to throw it away.
What is it? 1,000 years?
You know, like even like the joint tapes and things, they have a sell-by. I think this is like the maximum.
It hasn't, you know. I was only asking.
Oh yeah. No, because it could have been that there's like a 2 or 3 year sell-by date on it. Because we have products that really don't age, like the tapes. And, yeah.
So if I phone up for 6 boxes and say, can I have the 2-year-old stuff with a discount?
We don't have to.
Starting to drip.
No, this still. All right. All right. So also, this is. In the winter, you know, this is best applied around 30, 35 degrees. That's why we've had it in warm water. That's why it's so soft right now. When it gets colder, it gets much harder and harder to install. So you want to, in the winter time, you can just slice the tube open, take it out as a ball, and apply it with a putty knife. Or just take the ball and just jam it in with your fingers and with your thumbs work it in. So you really don't have to apply it out of the tube. And that's another method. If you have like a bunch of older material that you've raked out of a penetration that you're redoing, you're fitting new cables or whatever, you can take that and then also reuse it. And you just take it and just jam it in. Doesn't have to be out of the tube.